What's up, guys? So today we'll talk about how you could make 2,000 naira daily from doing small jobs and tasks. As you all know, as Nigerians, things haven't been going well and the hardship is getting tougher as days goes by. So I made a research on how you could make money online in Nigeria with your phone. I'll try to make this video short and brief so that we don't take much of your time. If you are new to this channel, you're welcome to Naira Cruise Entertainment Hustle Crew. My name is Charles Uchechi, and as you know, on this channel we give you the best infos on how to make money online in Nigeria, how to make money online in Nigeria with your phone, how to make money online without investment, latest free airdrop and free browsing cheats and trick. So let's head up to this. The name of the website I'll be telling you guys today is nairaworkers. So what is nairaworkers? Let's read about it here. Nairaworker is a freelancing, outsourcing and crowdsourcing platform. We connect clients and freelancers from all over Nigeria. So this is a Nigerian-based website in which they connect clients with freelancers. These clients pay for, as in these clients are advertisers who pay for their goods or their services should be advertised on nairaworkers platform. So let's go it through. Through our marketplace, clients can hire freelancers to do work in areas such as promoting on social media, writing, testing website, data entry, downloading, searching, installing and testing mobile apps, right through watching YouTube videos and taking surveys. To grow your business and make money in Nigeria has never been easier. So this is how they work. The clients actually pay you, who is interested in making money. They pay you to perform some tasks like social media tasks, like maybe you go to Twitter, you like pages, you follow, you share posts, so stuff like that, or you actually pay, as in you pay freelancers, like they could to subscribe to your YouTube channel, to share your videos, to watch your videos, so on and so forth. I've actually paid for subscribers through this platform and it worked very well. I remember when I started, when my subscribers was very low, I paid at that time. I'll show you the proof very soon. So let's continue. So if you haven't registered, all you need to do is go to your browser, you type in nairaworkers.com. As you can see from this place, you type in nairaworkers. You type in Naira, sorry about the interruption. You type in nairaworkers.com. So when you go there, you click on this bar here. As you click there, sorry about this, sorry. So once you're here, you click on this place. Once you click there, you will see the register. Click on register if you are a new member. So all you have to do is fill in the registration form, your name, your last name, your username, your gender. You also put in the you put in the referral code of the person who invited you. So you could actually use my referral code so that you could actually get some bonus when you started. So but it's optional, but in a way to support me, you could actually use my referral code, and I'll leave my referral code on the description. So let's head up to it. So I already have an account, so let me log in. So I click on that bar and I click, you see here it's already logged in already. So I've logged in already. So let's go to the dashboard and see what they've got for us there. Okay, say welcome with your best 20. Actually, that's my referral code. Hire me. Look at what they say here. Hire many random workers. Do you need 500 likes or 300 followers? 250 sign-ups. You can run a small job and ask workers to like your post, your Facebook post, watch a video, subscribe to your YouTube channel, retweet, follow, install apps, and much more. So you could actually see that there are so many endless tasks to perform on this website. Like, a day doesn't go without job. There's always jobs. So now let's check out this. So you could actually see that I've actually performed some tasks before, and I've still performed, though I haven't been conversant, as in I haven't been so busy with this website because I have other things doing. But this is a great way if you want to make money online in Nigeria without investment and with your phone. There's no much stress in this. This is just something that you could perform within 30 minutes a day and you just rest. So let's go to the tax and see what they got for. Let's check their available jobs. So we'll click on that menu bar, navigation bar. So now we'll click on available jobs. Let's click on that, available jobs. So now you can see there are so many available jobs. Let's scroll down. You see so many available jobs, like endless. You can see some are even paying 180 per job, 170, 500. So just tell me why you wouldn't be able to make so much money from this. Look at 130. Let's go back up. So now you could see from here you could just select the kind of jobs you want. Either it's the most recent jobs or highest paying jobs if you need the highest paying job. So you can see now. Let's click on this first one. They said Telegram channel. Let's click on it and see what the tax is all about. So now let's read this. What is expected from workers? My movie channel. Just join. Can you see? Say just join. Once you just click on this link now and you join, they say required proof that tax was finished. Just prove you join. You see? That means maybe you could just you could screenshot the group that you have joined and post it from this place. You put your image here, then you submit, and you put your username here and you submit. So it's as easy as that. There is no more stress in doing this. You don't have to say you spend 1 hour trying to perform some tasks and by the end of the day you don't get paid. This is actually legit. It's one of the best ways you could make money online in Nigeria with your phone. Like there's no much stress in doing this. So let's check another task. So like I said, that this video will be brief. I don't want to waste your time and I don't want to make it look boring. So now let's check out this Bitcoin mining. They are paying 28 naira. So you can see Bitcoin mining, new users only. So what is expected from workers? Just click on the link to sign up. Then you click on this link. Make sure you use my referral code. The client wants you to use his referral code, so you have to use it to be able to qualify for this tax. Required proof that tax was finished. Screenshot your dashboard of your miner. Send me the username and email you registered with. After doing all those, you could just come to this place where you see the proof. You put in your username and your email address which you use to register. So it's as easy as that. Once you do that, you click on the submit proof. And you could actually take some screenshots too, so that it could be clear for you. So let's go to that higher paying jobs and check out what we've got. You can see YouTube subscribe. If you need subscribers, you could come here, you post a job. This is actually an easy way to make money. You could just come here. You could even work after working the money which you are paid. Maybe you need YouTube subscribers, or you need Facebook followers, or so the money which you worked from here, you could actually use it to assign to others to work for you, so that you get paid, so that they also get paid too. So let's check this out. Okay, you could see this pumping. Let's check this out. It's a higher paying, paying job. So pumpy. Now they say what is expected from a worker. I use PalmPay to perform transactions to earn reward, and you can get yours too. Follow the link and register and get your own reward. After you have input your number into the link, download the app on the Play Store to complete the registration and claim your bonus. After you have claimed your reward, go to the scroll up. You will see authentication. You will see authentication. Make sure you submit one of the required to get the requirements to get paid. So now you can see this is what he wants you to do. Required proof that tax was finished, the time you registered, the number you used to register, the screenshot of your account showing verified. So you could actually see this is actually for new members. Like this PalmPay job here is for new members, because you cannot register more than 2 accounts if you want your accounts to be verified, because you have to give your bank details like BVN and so this is a very good way of making money online. Like, I don't see any stress in doing this. Every day there's so many jobs available. They never get less in giving out jobs. So this is a very good way to make money online. Like, you could just come here every day. At least you should be getting 2,000 naira. At least 2,000 naira a day if you are very conversant and consistent with this job. There's no stress in it, nothing. So, like I said, I'll show you the proof that I've also assigned others jobs to perform on this platform. So let's click on this nav bar again. So when we click on it, we'll click on, let's click on accounts. Okay, so let's click on my job, so to show that I have also assigned others jobs to perform here. Okay, we click on my jobs. So you could see this is the job I assigned for others to perform when I first started. So you could see I assigned 77 people to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's like a long time ago when I did that. So that's when I was starting up with my YouTube channel before it got hacked. So I had to retrieve it again. So this is how you too, as an advertiser, you advertise the platform, as in you advertise your job on the platform for other freelancers to perform tasks and get paid. So what I was doing, let's go to the referral and see how you could earn through referral. So click on referral. I don't think I have any referral. So they said, do you want to get paid a percentage from every deposit made from each task performed in your network? Post your affiliate link on blog, website, forum, social media, or even write a nairaworkers review. Bring new members and earn passive income for life. So you could see you could earn passive income from this. Even if you don't want to perform tax, you could actually bring in clients, like people who wants to advertise their products, like who wants tax to be performed on their social media handles, their website, and so you could actually bring those clients, and anytime they make deposit, you are also going to get percentage from every deposit they make for life, anytime they pay. And even your referral who come to perform tax too, whatsoever they make, you get a percentage from it. So this is as easy as, I don't know, this is so easy. It's one of the best ways you could make money online in Nigeria, because I don't know what to say, man, but it's a very good way to make money online. So guys, You could actually take your time, read through the website, get to know about it. So, guys, this is a disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just making this video for entertainment purpose because I found out a way of making money and I decided to share with you guys. So, guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, like, follow me on my Telegram group. You could I'll drop the link on the description box. You join me on my Telegram so that you don't miss out on any updates. So thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.